Today I'm going to teach you how to search for anything in the OneNote app. This is an incredibly useful feature that saves you time by letting you find specific content, tools, or features without having to navigate through multiple menus manually. First, you'll want to start by opening your Microsoft OneNote app. Once you've launched it, go ahead and load into your notebook. This is where all your notes, sections, and pages are stored, so make sure you're in the right notebook where you want to perform your search. Once your notebook is fully loaded, you're ready to begin the search process. Now, searching for anything in OneNote is actually pretty straightforward. The search feature is conveniently placed at the top part of your screen, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. All you have to do is locate that search field and start typing. Here's where it gets really helpful. You can type in a question, an action, specific text you're looking for, or even ask for help with a particular feature. This function is designed to help you access features directly instead of having to dig through the actual menu system. Think of it as a shortcut to everything in OneNote. Simply type in what you're looking for in the search field, and OneNote will work its magic. What happens next depends on what you're searching for. If you're looking for a specific function or tool, OneNote will either link you directly to where that function or tool is located within the app, or you can directly use the action right from the search results. This means you can format your notebook page, adjust settings, or use various tools without ever leaving your current view. It's incredibly efficient and keeps your workflow smooth. This search feature is particularly useful when you're working with large notebooks that have multiple sections and pages, or when you need to quickly find a specific piece of information without scrolling through everything manually. And that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to effectively use the search function in OneNote to find content, access tools, and streamline your note-taking experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.